Lower Tullochgrue is a sensitive refurbishment and extension of a traditional home nestled in the heart of the Cairngorms National Park. A decaying steading has been transformed into a contemporary extension, featuring an upper timber and glass volume on a stone plinth, seamlessly integrated with the site's natural topography. The project was driven by the vision of creating a welcoming space for a large, multi-generational family to gather, with flexibility for both group and smaller family interactions. This led to the design of spacious social areas, private guest accommodations in a separate block, and a careful refurbishment of the original house to suit family members of all ages and mobility levels. The clients initially tasked the architects with extending the existing house into the neighboring steading, situated 3 meters lower and at an irregular angle. The design solution involved dismantling the old steading and reusing its materials to construct a new stone plinth, providing a level foundation for the modern extension. This approach enabled a harmonious transition between the historic and new elements. An existing access track informed the extension's boundaries, with the first floor cantilevered above to create more space. The iconic 1960s Ford Falcon, a family heirloom, influenced the spacing of the exposed steel columns, ensuring enough clearance for the car's passage beneath. Throughout the project, the clients collaborated closely with the architects, refining each element to align with their lifestyle. The resulting design includes a separate games room, a guest suite with accessible facilities for elderly relatives, and additional areas to accommodate the family's varying needs, creating a home that is both inclusive and enduring.